Welcome to the HIA-LI Trade Show. I'm Eliud Custodio with Turn One Studio, and I have the pleasure of sitting with Veronica Isaac from PSEG Long Island. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here today.
So your booth is basically next to ours, which is cool. How are you enjoying the show?
Every year, without fail, it's absolutely amazing to see all of our local Long Islanders and visitors come out to learn more about products and services to better benefit their businesses, their homes, and to support our contractors and vendors and commercial workers here. It's amazing.
Last year, and I think even the year before, maybe I sat with Mike Holtz,
Yes.
and he shared this program that you had for businesses and for homes. Is that program still in effect?
It is very much in effect.
Okay.
So Michael Boltz, he probably spoke about energy efficiency,
Uh-huh.
but on top of that, the overarching program is Business First.
Okay.
And Business First represents all the products and services that we offer to small businesses and all commercial entities here on Long Island. So under the energy efficiency program, we have heat pumps, weatherization, products that support both residential and commercial. And on the commercial sector, we also have programs here to pitch our grants and incentive programs to help businesses with their renovations and business opportunities.
So do you have to be a building owner, or if you lease space, there are opportunities as well?
Well, it's a combination of both,
Okay.
depending on the program you're working under. If you're trying to support an economic development program, you have to own the building.
Okay.
Under energy efficiency, you can rent the building, but you need permissions and approvals from the owner.
To make the
It
modifications.
is correct.
Okay, cool. So as you walk the aisles here, are there any businesses in particular that you're looking for that you know you're a perfect fit to work with?
Well, for our programs, we actually work with all.
Okay.
There is no one business that we highlight or specify, but we do have a program called Prime Partners
Okay.
where we encourage contractors and businesses who want to work with us. You can sign up to become a Prime Partner so that when we do have an energy efficiency program or a project, we can offer your business as a referral for the specific work that's being done. So whether it's HVAC or anything of that nature, we can make a referral with your business because you are a prime partner. Under economic development, you can work with any company, any business, any vendor, and we'll support you.
Very cool. Now, I know when we first met, you were hosting an event in Nassau County with the Long Island Hispanic Chamber. Are there programs that are minority specific with PSEG Long Island?
No, but that is a
Okay.
very good question. We
Okay.
do have our programs are territory specific.
Oh.
So if you are in a disadvantaged community, we do amplify the incentive or rebate by a margin of 25%. And that goes across the board with energy efficiency and within economic development. So if you are identified in a what we call a DAC, a
Okay.
disadvantaged community, as per NYSERDA, if you were getting an incentive for $10,000, we would add 25% on top of that.
So as a business owner, is that something you could look up? Am I in one of
Yes,
those territories?
you can actually look it up straight on the NYSERDA website. They have guidelines from putting your zip code, and it will identify whether or not you are a DAC. And if you need support identifying where you reside within one of these programs, you can actually speak with one of our Business First advocates or one of our energy efficiency leads, and they will walk you through that process.
Wow.
Matter of fact, every Friday within energy efficiency, they have what they call a Friday open house, where you as a business owner or potential project can come down and speak to someone direct about what you're looking to do. And of course, under economic development, you can speak with someone anytime, any day, Monday through Friday, about what you're looking to do, and we will offer support.
Is it safe to assume that your booth here is helping to get that message out?
That's exactly safe to
Okay.
assume. Absolutely.
I know PSCG Long Island has been, I don't want to use the word partnered with, but associated with, collaborating with the HIA for quite a while.
Absolutely.
What does that relationship look like, and how do you see it moving forward?
Our relationship with the HIA is long term.
Okay.
We fully support the HIA because we like what they're doing, we like their mission, and we support them. We have a board membership with the HIA. We support their programs. We provide representation, and pretty much it will be long lasting because their mission is similar to ours: supporting Long Island, supporting our commercial businesses, and supporting the residents of Long Island.
Excellent. So before we wrap up, is there anything on the 2026 horizon, maybe 2027, that we should be aware of?
Absolutely.
Oh,
So you mentioned earlier this year there was a business first workshop that
uh-huh.
was held in Nassau County. It's coming back this fall in Suffolk County. So if you missed the first one, I do encourage any business or residential owner to come on out and hear about our programs and learn more about the opportunities to not only learn about the business first products, but also to learn how to work with PSEG Long Island. And on top of that, we also will be hosting an amazing procurement fair coming up in June where businesses can learn how to work with us as a partner.
And how do they get information on that?
They can visit our website at www.psegliny.com. It's on the front page.
Terrific. Thank you so much for your time. This is
you.
wonderful.